Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's in the morning, but I got a new package, so let's see what it is. Go check out my Superman review, toy review, where I opened it up. So let's open this guy up, or whatever this is on this. I'll probably put the package. Actually, I'm gonna move these guys out of the way so I have some space. Let's just move that out of the way. So yeah, now that I have some space, I could cut in this. Oh, bam! I wonder what's inside. Now let's open this side. I'll put this guy closer to it. Open this up in 3, 2, 1. Bubble wrap! Oh wait, it's a figure. No way, Wonder Woman. Oh, to add to my sweet, sweet collection, we have Wonder Woman. Let's move the bubble wrap out of the way. I'm gonna pop that later, because you know me, I like popping stuff. So that's Wonder Woman. It comes with the head and the cape to the collectible Dark Father figure. And it comes with the chainsaw and the figure. And of course the stand. So let's pop this thing open. Open it from the bottom if you want to get the stand and the figure out the same way. So right here. There it is. I'm going to take out the stand and the figure. The card first. So, I'm going to do this off camera. How do you? Oh, you got it. Okay. Here's the stand. Clean. And then the trading card. I don't want to damage it. I just heard a crack. Okay. Okay, so let's open the card to add to the trading card collection. Okay. Put this to the side. Here's her data file if you want to read that. Pause to read it. Okay, that's that. If you didn't want to read it, you don't have to. Okay, let's cut the cape out. Oh, I could already feel the fabric and the texture to the cape. It feels nice. Alright, so let's add this to Dark Father over here. I'm gonna try to see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna take the undies off. What you know? Okay, that's clipped in. And then now let's clip that in. So I think everything's clipped in. Yeah, I might add a dab of super glue or hot glue on it after the video, just so it doesn't fall off. I might do that because I could already see the front part starting to fall off. Back part is snugged in there, so that's good. We might have to add some glue. Let's see if I could pop the head on. This one I'm gonna have to do off camera. Oh, okay, so this one is not clipping in, just making sure it's in there. Yeah, okay. So I got that in there. We're gonna have to add a dab of super glue after, like I said, to the cape, because okay, so that's our Dark Father right there, the head and cape. Now I just need Batman with the legs. I got Batman last because, I mean, he doesn't look really that cool. Okay, let's pop the figure. Oh, I knocked Superman down. Alright, I knocked the chainsaw down. So here's the chainsaw. I might as well just show you that. Golden with the blue. It's bendy and a little sharp. So, yeah. I'm gonna move Wonder Woman's card up right there so you can see it. Superman's up. Robin up. Okay. Move this back. Okay. So Dark Father's looking cool. Now I just need the legs, and then Dark Father's complete. So I'm gonna try to find those. Let's see. Where is it? These. Oh, we got her out. Let's go. Wonder Woman. The cape fabric feels so nice. It feels, Robin's feels more like harder. Wonder Woman's is more bendy and plasticky. So I like Wonder Woman's cape more. And the design on her is just spot on. So this is Wonder Woman. I'm gonna show you her. Right there. In the back. I like the hair. The hair color is nice. How it goes from dark to black. So double jointed. I like that. Both legs are double jointed. Can move a few times. Arms can move very well. Double jointed. No, it's single jointed. Oh, that'd be cool if it's double jointed. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, never mind. It's double jointed. Oh, yeah, it's double jointed. Alright, that's cool. I like that. So now I'm gonna give her her chainsaw and put it in the hands of Wonder Woman. The funny thing is how I got all of them in order and I didn't even plan it. So, because I got Robin first, then I got Superman. Go check out his review. I'm going to try to pop this in and talk at the same time. And then I got Wonder Woman, which we're reviewing now. And then now I'm going to get Batman. I don't know when. To complete the Dark Father. How do you pop this in? Ow. Oh, that hurt. Ow. I hit my toe. Okay. So it looks like it's supposed to go in this hand. That's very true. And then you're just supposed to pop this. Oh, I got it. So there's Wonder Woman with her chainsaw. Did you see me? No, you didn't see me pop it. And because that was too hard. Okay, so she's wearing high heels. So you're gonna plug it not on the heel, but on the back of the foot. Right there. Okay. So that's Wonder Woman. So this is number 3 of 4, to build Darkfather. So I'm gonna end it right here. And yeah, put a dab of super glue on his cape. And throw out the garbage. And pop the things. Of course I'm gonna have to pop the things. So there's Darkfather and Wonder Woman. I'm gonna move this back so you can see all the Darkfather. Let's move. So, let me put his undies on correctly. Okay. So I'm gonna actually put him right here. Next to, can you see his full face? Okay, right there. A bench up. Okay. And hope you liked the review of Wonder Woman and adding on cape and head to Darkfather. If you did like it, leave a like and subscribe. And if you didn't, leave a like and subscribe again. Ooh, I'm Darkfather with no legs. I could fly. Darkfather literally looks like Darkseid with the Batman costume. Now I got 3 figures. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the review of Darkfather and Wonder Woman. Just try to. Alright, there you go. Bye.